Now, we've been very busy in play school today, so I wanted us just to go on a nature walk, okay? So we've come outside, and I want you to notice all the things that have changed since we were on holidays. So remember this tree, if you come over here to me, okay? Before the holidays, right, all we could see were the buds, okay? And the buds hadn't even come out. And then they opened a tiny bit, and now look at them. They've all blossomed out. Just look up into the tree. Can you see all the leaves have come out on the tree? Okay, and look over here. We had the tulips, but the tulips are nearly gone. And now look what's after happening. We have got the bluebells. Okay? So I want you, when you're out on your walk or you're in your garden, I want you to look all around and tell me all the things that have changed in nature around you. You told me about some flowers. Yes, well done. So let's come up and see all our new buds. Okay. And come with me. And look at the flowers are just starting to come out on our plants. Can you see them? Well done. So when we're outside, we go for our walk and we see all of the things that are changing, and then we have to listen. I can hear a funny sound. Can you? What is it? It's somebody drilling and cutting. Well done. Come on inside. Can you hear the birds? You can hear the wind. And you did hear the birds. So, now remember, when we come in, what have we to do? We have to wash our hands. I've done it. Okay, come on. And then we're going, when we're outside, we can do our stomping, our reaching for the stars, our clapping, our spinning around, our rolling, and our jumping. They're all the things we can do our activities. So when we're outside, we have to be nature detectives and see all the changes that are happening. And then we can do our exercises. And then when we come inside, we can do our exercises of stretching up. 10 stretches. Touching our toes. And we might do our song. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes, there and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Touch your head, touch your toes, touch your knees, touch your nose. Stand up straight and count to 10, then touch your toes again. Head, toes, knees, nose. Head, toes, knees, nose. Head, toes, knees, nose. Touch your head and touch your toes. So there's lots of activities to keep yourself physically fit. Remember, keep moving. See you later.